Hello viewers, welcome to BotPenguin. Today we will discuss about how you can check your profile details on the BotPenguin platform. Once you sign up on the BotPenguin platform, you will land on this page. On the left hand side, you'll find different options. To check your profile details, you have to go to the More option. Here you will find the My Account section. You have to click on that. In the My Account section, we have two different subsections, Account and Password. You can check your profile details in the Account section. Here you can see and update your profile information, your primary contact information, and your company information. To manage your personal information and settings, you have to click on the Profile information. Here you can see your profile image, your profile name, your email ID, and your phone number. And here you can see the language that you have selected. If you want to make any changes in your profile information, you can do it from here and then click on the Submit button to save the changes. You can also see and update your primary business contact info from this section. And to edit and check your company specific details, you can click on the Company Information option. So that was all about how you can check your profile details on the BotPenguin platform. If you need any help, you can refer to our help documentation. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.